Hello and welcome to the AI with Arun show. In this episode, we're here to talk about Gemini Banana, which is a next gen AI image editing tool. Nano Banana is the next generation AI image editing tool, is a new product from Google. Unlike other AI tools that can distort faces or alter unwanted elements, Nano Banana is designed to maintain the essential characteristics of people, pets, and objects while making requested changes. So it offers a wide range of powerful editing capabilities. First one is about character consistency. The tool preserves identity and likeness across multiple edits with unprecedented vision. Then you can do multi-turn editing. What does that mean? You can make a sequence of changes to the same image without losing your previous edits, allowing for iterative refinement. Then you can do multi-image fusion, which means seamlessly blend multiple photos into a single cohesive image. Background replacement, meaning change a photo's setting while keeping the subject completely intact. You can add or remove elements and the tool will integrate them naturally into the image. Now, this is one of the most exciting features, which is about design mixing. You can take visual traits from one image and apply them to objects in another. For example, if you upload a photo of pink roses and another of rain boots, the AI can create floral patterned boots inspired by the rose's design. How creative is that? So how do you access Nano Banana? You can do it in several ways. One is Google Gemini app or the website. You can use the Gemini app or website by visiting gemini.google.com. Make sure that Gemini 2.5 Flash is selected. You can upload up to 10 images per prompt. Free users can generate up to 100 images per day. The other one is to use Google AI Studio. For developers and more advanced users, you can use the Google AI Studio at aistudio.google.com. And then the third one is using third-party platforms. There are also multiple third-party platforms that offer access, such as LM Arena, which provides free watermark-free access, and FreePic Picasso, which is a paid service. Now, using Nano Banana is a simple step-by-step process. The first step is to upload your image. So begin with a clear, high-quality photo of your subject. Now craft your prompt carefully. Be very specific and descriptive with your requests. That's the second step. The third step is to refine through conversations. You can make iterative improvements by continuing the conversation. For example, you can start with change my shirt to a blue blazer and then refine it with now make the blazer navy blue. And once you're done, you're happy, you can download the results. It's important to understand the technical details and the pricing for Nano Banana. The cost structure is like this. There is a free tier on Google AI Studio that allows for up to 100 images per day. API pricing is approximately 0.039 per image, which is about 4 cents per image. The consumer Gemini version is free with daily limits that vary. Now, what about the technical limitations? The tool supports JPEG, PNG, and WEBP file formats. You can upload a maximum of 10 images per prompt, with a total request size limit of 20 MB. The free versions include visible watermarks. All the images also contain invisible synth ID watermarks to identify them as AI generated. Now let's look at some incredibly versatile use cases. First one is about content creation. You can create YouTube thumbnails, product mockups, and social media content with consistent branding. The second one is about e-commerce, where you can generate virtual product placements and lifestyle shots without expensive photo shoots. The third one is about marketing, where you can ensure brand adoption and style consistency across different campaigns. Then think about home design, preview interior changes like wall colors or furniture placements. And then there's a personal use, where you can restore old photos or improve image quality. You can also experiment with virtual try-ons for clothing, for hairstyles and accessories while maintaining your identity. So why would you choose Nano Banana over other tools? One, it's top-rated performance. Nano Banana is currently ranked as the top-rated image editing model on LM Arena, outperforming competitors like OpenAI's image tools. It maintains character likeness across multiple edits with unprecedented precision, making it preferred by both casual users and professionals. So just to keep that in mind. And then there's a multimodal integration. Because of its integration with Gemini's architecture, Nano Banana understands context and uses logical reasoning to create more natural, more coherent results. It truly allows you to unlock your image potential. So with that, we come to the end of the show. Support our work by joining us as a member. Otherwise, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.